Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a circle above a letter in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu, select the text box option and draw a text box. Then click inside the text box and write anything. Now I am write some letter. Then click and drag on our mouse to select the letter and go back the home menu and increase the font size. Then click side the text and go to the insert menu again. Choose the symbol option. Then select the font drop down menu and choose normal text and select the subset drop down menu and choose the combining diacritical marks. Then we can see here many option or many symbol. Now you want to add circle over the letter, select the combining dot above option and click insert, then close the window. Now we can see we put a circle above letter easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.